Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Big thumbs up if you enjoy this video, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's up next. Now today, we're opening a whole heap of the brand new Hot Wheels ID cars. Let's get straight into it. First up, we've got the factory fresh car, 2017 Nissan GTR R35, and you can see here it's in that Spectra Flame pearl white with the Hot Wheels ID logo on the base and the Hot Wheels ID wheels with the red rims. Nice, simple, plain white car, lots of decals on the front and the rear. It's a really cool looking car and I cannot wait to get this one on the track. Next up is the Tesla Model S. I really love this casting in the main lines and I'm so happy that it's made it to a Hot Wheels ID series car. Again, it's got those nice red rims on those ID wheels, got a whole lot of decals on the back there, the Tesla on the side, that nice big panoramic roof. It's a pretty awesome looking car, this one. Now we've got the 1971 Lamborghini Miura P400 SV. Now this is a brand new casting for the Hot Wheels ID series, so it's pretty cool that this is the first place it was released. And it's got that really awesome yellow bottom. It really fits with that gold Spectra Flame paint that they're using. And those wheels look really cool with the big chrome wheel at the back. Really nice looking car. Next up in the Factory Fresh series from Hot Wheels ID is that 2018 Camaro SS, and it's in that Spectra Flame sort of orange color. It's a really nice color and I really like this Camaro. It's pretty cool. And again, all those tampos on the front and the rear, it's a really nice looking car. All of the cars in the Hot Wheels ID series are really spectacular. Now let's take a look at the Pagani Huayra. Now they've actually called it the Roadster, but a Roadster wouldn't have a hard top roof, whereas this one does have a hard top roof, so it's just pretty much a Pagani Huayra. Anyway, in that really cool Spectra Flame blue, and these wheels are a little bit chrome gold. I really like this one, and those nice stripes on the side. It's a really perfect looking car, not too overdone, and this one's going to be pretty cool on the track. Alright, let's take a look at that 1970 Dodge Charger RT. Now this has been a really popular casting in the ID series. You can see it's in that light Spectra Flame blue. We've got those big red stripes and we've got that engine hanging out the front there. Red rims on the wheels, nice chrome wheel there. It's just a really awesome looking car. I'm not a big fan of the cars with the rear large wheel that sit up a little bit too high, but this one is not too bad. But I'll be interested to see how it performs on the Hot Wheels ID track with the hand-powered booster. Now the last car we're going to check out today is that SRT Viper GTS R. Now this was an Apple Store exclusive vehicle in the Hot Wheels ID series, so I was lucky enough to pick that one up, and this has got a whole heap of decals all over it. It's a really awesome looking car. The spoiler looks a little bit too big for me, and I guess it's because of the Spectra Flame paint on all of these cars. Some of the features do look a little bit bulky, but still it's a really awesome casting, and I'm really glad to have this one in the Hot Wheels ID series. And you'll notice those white wheels, they look pretty awesome on this casting. Now Now here in the Hot Wheels garage, we do have the brand new Hot Wheels Smart Track kit, which we will be opening and testing all these cars on in an upcoming video. Don't forget to check out all the other Hot Wheels ID car videos that we have here in the Hot Wheels garage, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe because you are going to want to see them on that Hot Wheels Smart Track. Alright, thanks for watching everyone.